guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's a big storm today, guys. Whew. I don't know how I can handle this. Just like I'm drunk while walking. I'm walking like a drunkard because the wind blows is whew, like carrying me. I just finished at work, guys. Exactly. I'm finished actually 9 o'clock. And you know, because of the bad weather, I'm not come home yet. Oh my god. Because I cannot walk fast. As you hear, the wind was very strong. Storm. So I walk from there and to my home place. So oh my god. My god, this is so terrible wind. What happened in Norway? It's so bad weather. I hope the wind blows stop. Oh my god. You hear the noise, guys? Very bad and very strong. And just walk across the way going home. My goodness. And I forget my umbrella. I hope not rain. Because you know, if there is a wind blows, there is the rain later. I hope it will not rain because my umbrella is... Oh my god, I heard the rain, no? Oh my god. My umbrella, I forget. At my office. Oh my god. Because you know, when it comes 9 o'clock or before 9, yeah, I'm so only take my things quick. Oh my god. So. I walk so fast so I can reach. So the rain will not come after me. Because it's, I think, oh, I heard some noise now. It's start raining. I don't have any umbrella here. I forget. Oh my god, it start raining. See, just it start raining. I just have my hoodies of my sweatshirt. Oh, I feel hungry. Oh my god. You know guys, diet doesn't work on me guys. After working hours, oh my god, I feel so very hungry. I can't describe. I'm tired. All of my energy is gone. And now, when I done at work, it's so bad weather. Oh my god. And now it starts raining. Oh. I'm just half on my way to my home place. Just half on my way to my home place. And starts raining. Oh my goodness. So I'm a superwoman guys. Look at my eyes and my face is very tired. Oh my goodness. Tired. Look at the road. It's very wet. Wet. But I'm not complaining for everything guys, but I just shared you. Share to all people. Or I only telling you what's happening here. Just like I'm vlogging. So if you guys get bored with my content, but you know, most of the time this is only thing I always do, because I'm just go home and work, go home and work and home. It's like that. So some of the things I want to do, I cannot do anymore because of my busy schedule. I cannot find a boyfriend guys because I don't have time for dating. Wow. And soon it's Valentine's Day and I have nothing. Wow. Nothing, but it's okay anyways. I'm still alive. I don't need a man. Wow. Oh my god, where's my superhero and drive me home? I think I come home on 5 minutes or 7 minutes. It's not so much guys, because in this working place I have now, it takes me 25 minutes to walk. So it's quite a long way, but you know, if I'm still young, so I like to walk. But you know, even though if I'm taking a bus, so no more bus drive up to my address. So at the same time I'm gonna walk. So I choose, even I'm so tired, I choose to walk than to spend time with a bus and spend your money. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. I got a free shower outside now. Yeah, of course, when I come home, I will jump on the shower, of course. Oh my god. So, there's no other short way in this area, guys. If I go in the long way of incline, I'm start off with the incline, and this way, I choose this because that's so long way of incline. Just like you climb to the is so huge. It's a long way. This one is a kind of climbing to the mountain, but the other way is long way. So we'll choose. Oh my god. Oh my god. So let's climb to the mountain. It started to snow. What is this? It's snow and oh my god. Snow and rain. Oh, whatever steps I will do, guys, it's the same. I cannot walk fast because of the road. Look at my shoes. My god. And wind blows. I'm not scared with the wind blows. I'm still walking on the street. So I don't want that. I just walk alone in here. Nobody's here. Only me. Rain showers. And there is a snow. Oh my goodness. Where I gotta go now? No more short way. I'm getting lost weight, guys. You know that? Because of my walking distance at work, and my work also is very, oh my god. You hear this? Ow, 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 oh my god, it's so pain. What a bad wit. Oh my god, this is so disgusting, guys. Oh my mama. Ow. This is so big. What the? Serious? Oh my god, it's so painful. Oh, oh my goodness. Wait. What the? Oh, I cannot handle this one. Oh my god. Oh, this is so terrible. Oh my god. Oh, stop this. Stop this. Stop a little bit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, thank you, Lord. It stopped. Thank you. You heard that, guys? The snow stop when I say stop. Oh, wait that until I come home. Oh my god. As you can see, they stop now. They heard on me. Right? I'm closer to my home. I think 3 minutes to go. So look at that is the school. Look at the lights in there. I think there is something wrong. Nobody's on the school, guys. Okay, I'm too close to my home now. As you can see, the snow stops when I say stops. Oh, I want to shout like Superwoman. Oh my god. This is so hard, guys, if you cannot drive. So hopefully by this year I can proceed my driving license, because you know, if you getting home too late, it's very terrible and you're so tired. Oh my god, sorry. That's why it's so hard to brake. My foot is tired. Actually, all my body is tired. All over. Not only my my foot. 2 minutes more. I come home. What's that? Where's the lunch? Okay. One more uphill, guys. One more uphill or top hill. So, this is the last uphill. And I come home. Your step is like 1 2 1 2. You cannot run, you cannot walk fast, because you walk like up and down, up and down. And you see that corner, I reach my destination. It's my home place. Oh my god, this starts again. So here I am. Here I am. Destination. My neighbors are sleeping. I'm home. Alright. So, how do we do? I'm now. Just watch my step, because no, you cannot. Finally. Finally, I'm home. Welcome home, it's me. That's what a haggard face. Welcome home, nobody's here, only me. Oh my goodness. So now guys, I'm inside my home place. So nobody's here. Nobody pays much attention. Nobody's here, only me. I need some air. Okay. So what we did, sanitizer for your sick girl. I'm so thirsty. I drank my fresh lemon. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Exactly, it's okay. So that's all for today, guys. So I wanna do something. What happened with this? Huh? Oh my god, I'm so hungry. My stomach is reacting. So I'm going to wash my hand and look at something on my fridge. So, oh, sorry for that, guys. That is my stomach. Okay, I wanna. So, I want to make food. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy my video. And now I got home and I wanna look at something to eat. So just don't forget to click comments and subscribe if you like my channel, and um just click the bell button so you get updated on my next video. So I wanna make some food. Okay. So, so have a nice evening, guys, and good night, and bye for now.